Are you looking for some inspiration to restock and organize your car? Look no further. I'm going to be sharing all the things that I'm using to restock and organize my car. Everything is linked down below for you. Let me know in a comment down below if you yourself are in this organization bug as well. The first thing that I'm going to say is one of my favorite things of all time. If you have a car that has Apple Play, holy moly, this is a game changer. Usually with Apple Play, you have to plug your phone into the car and you have this USB cord just running amok. This connects your Apple Play phone to your car wirelessly and with Bluetooth technology. Oh my gumballs. This is amazing. I am so excited someone thought of this because it is incredible. You have this little guy. It comes like this. And I didn't know where to put this. I was like, well, where'd you put it? You actually connect it to itself, okay? And then you put that on the USB port in your car, and then you go through all the steps to connect that onto your phone. And then when you turn your car on, magic happens. Your phone just connects to this and it works with the Apple Play. You'll have to look on the link of this little guy to see if your car's make and model work for this specific one. But holy moly, incredible. I got this little tissue box because it looks adorable and it looks like a little plaid from Burberry, but it was under 10 bucks. You put it on your visor and voila, you have the cutest little pie tissue thingy, Maju. I was driving home and I was thinking, oh my gosh, I wish I had a tissue. And it was literally like hanging right off of the thing. So if you do get it, remember that you have tissue right over your nose. Another thing I got was a sunglass clip because I have two sunglasses and I have a space for one of my sunglasses to go on, but I do have two that I like to rotate. So I wanted to keep my other one out of the way because sometimes it goes like, it just rattles and it drives me bonkers. So I thought it would be a good idea to get this little clip. It's magnetic and your glasses just fit on there, and then you can put it on your visor. I've waited to open this with you, but I got a little first aid clutch. It has 75 first aid rescue supplies, and it's an all-in-one compact case. I thought it was really cute. Oh my goodness, that is adorable. It says, kiss it better, and it has, oh my gosh, come back. It has all kinds of goodies for when you need. I'm keeping mints and gum in the car because you never know when you need to check your breath. I always like to keep a pen in my car. I keep a hand lotion handy. The next thing that I'm going to keep in my car is a little mirror that has LED light. And this is to do my makeup if I have to do my makeup. Obviously, I'm not going to do my makeup when I'm driving, but if I'm going somewhere and I need to just check things, and I don't want to use the one that I have just on the visor, then I just bought this to travel to Panama with, and I did my makeup with this little guy every single day in Panama, and I loved it. I loved the light. You can charge it, and I have the little charger, so I can charge it in here if I need to. Okay, this was probably one of my favorite purchases. I got a little coin dispenser that I thought was adorable. I hate the sound of clinkety-clinkities when I'm driving, and my coins were always all over the place. I had this little red pouch, but it was just overflowing and it didn't feel very organized. So now if I'm somewhere, in and out, and I get a little hamburger and I go, oh, here's a dime. Oh, here's a penny. Here's a quarter. Wow. I thought this was really good, and I'm going to keep it in my center console. I have a few little necessities in the car that I think are vital. I love keeping floss, cotton swabs, and hair ties in the car because I always need to floss. I use cotton swabs to fix my makeup, like my eye makeup. If I got smudges around my eyes or something, I like to use cotton swabs for that. These are so cute. These are adorable. They click open like this. The little thing is stuck on itself, so you don't have to worry about it coming out and you losing one from the other. They have this little magnetic, I don't know if you can hear that. That's so satisfying. This one I stocked with Listerine. These are the pocket packs because they are awesome if you don't want to be chewing gum, but you want fresh breath. This guy is so good. I'm keeping motion sickness bands on here because I get sick when we go on road trips and it's windy, and I just want to keep that here in case we have a road trip and I need them. I like to keep Pepto-Bismol little tabs on here as well. Touchland just sent this to me. It's a new scent, which I'm so excited about. Let's check it out. Oh, that smells so good. Okay, I'm going to restock this little case that I just got. So I guess maybe not restock, but stock it for the first time. We're putting in some dry shampoo. This is the Briogeo Scalp Revival dry shampoo, but it's in powder form because you don't want to keep a aerosol can in your car. You want to make sure you do powdered dry shampoo. So we're keeping that. I'm putting some Tide to Go wipes in here. I'm putting a Hero moisturizer in here because I've had it where I go to the gym and I wash my face or just splash water on my face and my face feels really taut and dry. So I just want to keep a moisturizer in here. Although I will not keep any sunscreen in my car. I didn't know, but if you keep sunscreen in your car, it goes bad. So I'm not keeping that in here. I'm just going to reapply it with my resetting mist, but I'm not going to keep it in my car. I'm going to keep it in my bag. I'm going to keep a little bar of soap in here. I feel like that's super necessary when you go somewhere with kids and you need to just wash, yourself and you don't have something to truly wash your hands. When wipes aren't good enough, sometimes you just need to have some soap, I also keep tampons in my car, so we're going to put those in there. I'm putting on a little toothpaste. My trunk was incredibly disgusting, and to be honest with you, I don't even want to show you how bad it was because I didn't even know what was in there. I thought there might have been things in there that were probably dead or rotten. Thank God that there wasn't any actual food back there, but oh my gosh, there were things that I didn't even know were back there.